Hello, everyone. My name is Bala, and I'm the adjunct professor and lecturer in human resource management at Swiss Information and Management Institute, also known as SIMI Swiss. I have over 30 years of experience in management and management education in Malaysia, where I belong, China, Australian universities, and currently in the UK with BCU. My work has taken me around the globe as I have presented at seminars and conferences in over 40 countries across 5 continents. I have been with SIMI since 2021, teaching strategic HRM, leadership, and performance management within their MBA and MA in HRM programs. To my future students at SIMI, I am excited to share my knowledge and experiences with you, and I look forward to seeing you in class and learning together. Thank you.